Introducing my 7th grade research project, all about flamingos by Miss Nielsen. Flamingos are one of the most beautiful types of bird in the world. There are currently 6 living species, one of them being the national bird of the Bahamas. And flamingos are often known for standing on one leg, which is actually meant to conserve body heat depending on where they are and how temperature can change. And despite being very well known for standing on one leg, they're also very good flyers and often have to have their wings clipped when they're in captivity to keep them in. So there are brightly colored flamingos and light colored flamingos, and they can range anywhere in between, and this is due to their diet. So the amount of carotene, which is in the food they eat, which they can find in shrimp, krill, algae especially, red algae, are all things that flamingos eat. And they do this by filter feeding through their beak. So they're able to get that color. So if they're very brightly colored, they have more food, they have more carotene in their diet, and they are considered healthier. Flamingos are also a social bird. They can come in flocks of 100 to 1,000 to even tens of thousands, which is insane to think about, but it's incredibly amazing. Flamingos are not a mate for life type of species. They do form very strong bonds though, and may only change mates 2 to 3 times within their lifetime. They're also very territorial of their nests because they want to have the best space for their offspring to grow. As you can see in this photo, they have a nest built. Baby chicks often look kind of like the ugly duckling. They start off white. For the first 6 days of their life, they stay in the nest being fed by their parents. And then after the 6 days, for the next 5 days after that, they slowly start moving and exploring outside of their nests with a little nudging from their parents. And then after about 2 weeks, chicks are able and ready to go into the world on their own, be a part of the flock, and not need their parents anymore. And they often rely on each other, the young rely on each other. And different habitats that flamingos live in are anything from more savanna swamps to tropical swamps to sandy beaches. They have a variety of habitats that they can thrive in. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned a couple things about flamingos that you didn't know before. Thanks so much.